Good morning, good evening, everyone. This is Ankush, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, I've come up with the real world scenario in the Tableau. So this I have the two scenario. This is going to be the real world, and they have recently asked me these two scenario questions. Okay, so I will start with the first scenario. If you can, if you see, I've connected a sample superstore data, and I've created a view, year of order date, okay, and month of order date. Okay. Let me create another one. Order date. Let me expand that, remove this quarter one. Sales. Let me entire view. Okay. Now the ask is they want up and down arrow for if sales is increasing, they want the up arrow. If the sales is decreasing, they want the down arrow and the particular the view. Exactly. Okay. In the one calculation. How can we do this? Just think about it. Okay, you have the year of order date, month of order date, and you have the sales. If the sales goes down, like you need to compare if the this one. If the sales goes down, you need to like give them down arrow. If the sales is going to be increased, you have to tell them this is your the what we called the up arrow. So think about it. How can we do this? Okay, this is going to be very simple. And the one calculation, I have already written this calculation over here. Okay. So let me show you what is that. So this will be done by using the lookup function. This is going to be very straightforward. Okay. So I've already sum is already there for my the comparison. So I will say if my sum lookup is greater than lookup sum equal to 1, then give me this value. Okay. Again, I'm also checking the lookup if some there, they give me the down arrow. Okay, this will check. This will this will applicable for increasing. This will applicable for the decreasing. That give me the down arrow. Else, I don't want anything. Okay, let's see. Now you need to create one more thing. Instead of the automatic, go for the shape. Drag your calculation to the shape. Okay. Now you have the lines. Uh, this one maybe maybe let's drag it to the colors. We want the color as well as let me see. Yeah. Okay, I'll give this arrow as well as okay. Now you have the down arrow and the up arrow. Whatever this sales value has been changed. Okay. So now you can compare. This is the full dynamic and based on the your parameter, your filter. This we will update. Okay. This is the first scenario they will ask. And second scenario is interesting one. And if you want the detailed video, definitely I will like create this detailed video. The second scenario was that although I'll tell you the step how to create this, let's jump into the second scenario. Second scenario is that let's say they ask you to create two chart. First is the pie chart, simple pie chart. Second one is the trend line. Okay, maybe as of now, this is not the trend line. I've just given the name, the trend line. You can give the name any area chart, tree map, heat map, whatever is that. Okay. So as of now, I keep like this trend line. Okay. So I have the two chart. One is the let me- pie chart, and second one is the trend line. Okay. Now what he want? He wants he wants when you create a dashboard. Let's say when you create a dashboard, as per the dashboard, when you select any of the value. Okay. So this is my parameter first. you need to create the three values: pie chart, trend line, custom date. Custom date, I will tell you why they have asked to create the custom date. I will tell you in the later. Okay. So based on the parameter, whatever the selection is there in the particular parameter, okay, that view should be displayed over here, and the other should be the hide one. If I click the trend line, my trend line should be the display here, other one should be the hide based on that. Okay. And the interesting scenario is that if I click the custom date, my custom date parameter is display here. Based on that, the pie chart is also display here. Meaning this is the full functional over here. If I select any of the date, my pie chart will update. Okay, my pie chart will update based on the sales data. Okay. As soon as I click the pie chart, it should be the reset as original as that. Okay. Okay, let me explain one more time. The scenario is that he wants a view with parameter or the filter where he wants us select a pie chart from the parameter or trend line or custom line, whatever the chart is available here into the parameter, it should be available or it should be visible into the dashboard. Other should be the hide like that. Okay. And the third scenario they ask the custom date when end user can click the custom date, my date and date, start date and date parameters should display, and this should be applicable here. Meaning if I select anything from the date, my pie chart will update. Okay. And so far so good now. Now the second scenario, the last one they want, when I click the pie chart, this pie chart will reset to the original one. Meaning is that now you can see we have the 124, 29, 14. These are the sales number. Okay. When I click the pie chart, this is resetted as the original one or the all value, or we can say the lifetime value. Okay. So this is very interesting one, and I find like challenging one as well as. So although I have converted, I've given them the solution. He liked that. Okay. So what I did, I created the parameter one, followed with the values, pie chart, trend line, and the custom date. These are the string one. And I have created the start date and date. These are the date and date. I'm using the order date less than equal to start date and order date greater than equal to start date. This is going to be the range. Basically, this is going to the filter out the the data. Okay, and I put it into the dashboards. And what I'm using, I'm using the dynamic zone visibilities. Okay, if you see, based on the dynamic zone visibility, I can hide or unhide anything. And this is the more flexible way to hide individual charts. And I love the dynamic zone visibility in Tableau. Okay, so that's how you can create it. So based on that, I created the uh, individual dynamic zone visibility parameter which is are true. If it is this true, it applicable this. If it is this true, this give me the this one. If it is this true parameter and this dates are display over here. Okay. Hope I make this sense. If you want the detailed video how to create from the scratch, let me know. Just comment down on the comment section. Definitely I'll make on this video. So that is the from this video. I just would like to tell you the two scenario from they are asking. Okay, so that's it from this video. Hope this video like it makes sense. If you like this video, please make sure subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching this.